Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be making ginger beer for you guys. Now, ginger beer is good for your stomach and is also good for your metabolism. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. So what you want to do is get yourself some fresh ginger, which I have here, and I've already rinsed this ginger. And this is about 1.5 pounds of ginger. So what you want to do is go ahead and cut your ginger up into slices. Now you want to do this to help your blender out. Because we're going to be blending this, and then we're going to strain it, and that's how you get your ginger beer. So now that you've cut your ginger up into pieces, you want to add it into your blender. I'm going to make 2 batches because you don't want to overcrowd your blender. So that's good for about 1 batch. Now what you want to do is cover it in 4 cups of water. Now I'm going to blend this, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I blended that for about 2 minutes, and here's the consistency that you're looking for right here. So now I'm going to go add the second batch to the blender and blend that up, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, my second batch is ready. And I'm going to go ahead and just transfer bowls because this bowl is too small. So I'm going to get a bigger bowl. And for my second batch, I also put 4 cups of water. Now here's my second batch. So now that you have your 2 batches, what you want to do is take your 2 lemons and you want to cut those in half. And you want to put the juice of those lemons in your ginger. And if you get any seeds in, that's okay because you're going to go ahead and strain all of this when you're done. Now that you have your lemon juice in, you want to go ahead and add your sugar. I'm using some organic sugarcane sugar. Or if you have regular sugar, that's fine too. cover this with some plastic wrap and leave it to sit for 2 to 3 hours. All right, guys, so this has been sitting for 3 hours. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and strain this. So I'm going to put it off to the side. And I'm going to bring my other bowl with my strainer in. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead and filled up my container full of the ginger beer. And now what I've done is I've taken the glass and I've wet the rim of the glass. And I'm going to go ahead and swirl it around inside of this sugar. Now that I have that sugar around the rim of that glass, I'm going to go ahead and pour some inside of my glass. And that's how you make ginger beer, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.